Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
We're back with another Pokemon break. We got another Paradox Rift booster box. We only have 2 left. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. He's got his little hat on. So he's going to give us a special delivery. Well, let's see how special it is. Here we go. Still got a lot. Still need a lot for the top 10. Still need a ton for all the other cards that are available. Let's see if we can make a dent with this box. Starting out with a Mario Leaf. Toad's Cool, Rush Limbaugh, Splenda. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? No. No first pack's blessings this time. Uh-oh. Yep. Triple Roaring Moon showing. And we make it 4. The gold one. Uh-oh, fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? Well, we're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Counter catcher, catch something good. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright. Triple Roaring Moons. Can we make it 4? And gold. Go. Onyx, Toad's Cruel, Rush Limbaugh. Anything good? Oh, counter catcher, catch something good. Oh no. Starting off with a duplicate. Alright. First hit spot is an EX duplicate. No help. Major League Baseball. Galvatron. Take your vitamins. There's your boy. Anything good? Anything? No. Mario Leaf. Tink. Fiddle. Devolution. Might want to look that up. Mela. Gimme gold. Give me something good. You know what we want. Anything? Nothing. Alright. Uh-oh. Triple Roaring Moon showing again. Well, that's twice it's already happened. Okay. Mario Leaf. Anything good? Anything? No. Here we go. Triple Roaring Moons. It's been the most exciting part of the break so far. Seeing the Triple Roaring Moons. Uh-oh. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Gimme gold. Gimme something good. You know what we want. Crazy Nancy. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Oh. Oh, man. Another duplicate. Another hit spot taken up. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. There's your girl. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Moving right along. Blastoise energy teasing us. Oh, where's the good one? Norman. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Oh man, come on. Tinkertough. Onyx, Tulip, where's the good one? There's your girl. Anything good? Anything? Oh, no, that's it. Uh-oh, triple roaring moons again. Like I said, it's been the most exciting part of the break. Let's change that. Major League Baseball, Larry. Toad Scroll, Rush Limbaugh. Devolution, might want to look that up. Anything good? Oh, gimme cool, you. Oh, man. And it's a duplicate. We already have this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anything else? Nothing. Oh, man. Well. What a ultimate tease. All right. So 3 hits and all duplicates for us. Maybe not for you guys at home. Here we go, Mario Leaf. Fiddle. Crazy Nancy. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. All right. Amigo. Mela. Crazy Nancy. Oh! Oh, cool! Alright! Yeah! Alright! We needed this. Excellent! Alright. This was in the top 10, but then it went out, but it'll probably go back in. Alright, man. So blessed. Double hit? No. Wow. Alright. Wow, this card looks way cooler in person.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Excellent hit. Can you go in there? Alright, so blessed. Kind of hard to see it, but it's a cool card. Alright. Alright, that was an excellent hit. Kind of came out of nowhere. Let's keep it going. Finally got something we didn't have. Let's keep that trend going. Jigglypuff's energy. Splenda. Tinkatink. Cursed Duster. Oh man, is that something under there? There is. What's it gonna be? Oh, I thought it was some. Oh, that was weird. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. I'm all messed up on that one. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking on that one. Uh-oh. Triple Roaring Moons. Yeah, it wasn't even the hit card. And I'm like, oh, there's something there. Mario Leaf. Vanilla Ice. Venezuela. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright. Getting close to the end of the right side. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits awake. Double Blade. Cody Rhodes. Onyx. Anything good? Anything? Norman again. Wanted to give you another fist bump. There you go, Norman. Alright. Pack 17. What's that, John John? Alright. Let's see what John John's got in his pack. That's something good, John John. Blastoise's energy's teasing us. Splenda, anything good? Anything? John John. Alright, last pack from the right side. Good right side because of that one card, but only 5 hits, so I kind of like that. I like the suspense. But the hits could be anywhere. Major League Baseball. Flamigo. Anything good? Anything? Oh! Don't take up a hit spot on the way out, man. Alright, here we go. First pack from the left side. You know the spiel. It's Roaring Moon. This is if some kid would have won a jackpot, would have turned in his tickets and asked for a pack of Pokemon, this is the pack he would have got. Let's see if he made the right decision by buying Pokemon cards. Here we go. Defiance Vest, I need that. Kevin Durant. Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool.
These are fun.
Did not have that one. So cool, we'll take it. Alright, I think you would have been happy with that. So blessed. Alright. Well, guess it was a good decision to turn in his tickets. Now what if he would have won 2 jackpots and bought 2 packs of Pokemon? This would have been his other card, or his other pack. So let's see if he should have bought this, or he should have just bought some candy instead. Fire! Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Anything good? Anything? Well, I guess he should have bought some candy. But he's probably happy with his Hoopa. Jigglypuff's energy. Oops, golly. What the? Pulled 2 cards. Anything good? Anything? Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Another duplicate. Alright. Another hit spot. Another duplicate. All those hits laying there, those are the only 2 we didn't have. Mario Leaf. Tinka Tinka, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Oh, double roaring moons. Blastoise energy teasing us. Counter catcher, catch something good. Anything good? Oh, anything? No. A lot of packs left. But how many hit spots? Snorlax doll, Tinkaton, Kevin Durant. Anything good? Gimme Ghoul, give me something good. You know what we want. Oh man. Major League Baseball. Bounce Sweet. Take your vitamins. There's your boy. Anything good? Oh, that's cool. All right. That one's cool. Didn't have that one. Nice. Double hit pack finally. All right. Something else we didn't have. I'm gonna let him hold it. Alright. Glad to pick up something we didn't have. Lots of purple showing now. Or pink. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Medical energy, stay away from that. Anything good? Oh, anything? No. Roaring Moon pack. Galvatron. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright. Moving right along. How many hits are going to be left? Jigglypuff's energy. Gimme gold, give me something good. You know what we want. Anything good? Anything? Oh, dude! Ow. Wow! What is that? 1001? 1017? Alright, another duplicate, another hit spot. How many's left? Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. There's your girl. Anything good? Snorlax doll. Anything good? Nothing. Alright, looks like we got about 7 packs left. How much damage can we do with 7 packs? Well, we got God with us, so we can do all kinds of damage. Norman. Earthworm Jim, Toad's Cruel, Rush Limbaugh. Anything good? Haha, anything? Nothing. Oh, Roaring Moon pack. Tulip, where's the good one? Fiddle, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, 5 packs left. Major League Baseball. Bounce Sweet. Evolution, might want to look that up. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Mario Leaf. Tinkatuff. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, last 3 packs, Roaring Moon. Let's see if there's any last packs. Blessings with an S. Onyx, Fiddle, Cursed Duster, Toad's School, Rush Limbaugh. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Last 2 packs. Jigglypuff's Energy. Mela. Anything good? Anything? Whoa! Oh, wow. Well, we got 2 golds of this, and now we got this, and 1,000,000 EXs, but we do not have the SIR. But that's cool. That's really purple. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, last pack. Decent box. Unless there's some in this that's gonna blow us away. Always bless though. Here we go. Fines vest, I need that. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright guys, we're back with a recap. Well, another decent box, 11 total hits, and 4 that we didn't have. So here's everything we were blessed with. Another one of those, another one of those, another one of those, another one of those. This is 1,017 of these. Another Norman. Another Gimme Ghoul. We didn't have this, so glad to get this. We didn't have this card, and that's a really nice, pretty card, so we're glad to get this. Didn't have this one. We have 2 golds and 1,000,000 EXs, but we didn't have this, and we still don't have the SIR. But guys, so glad to get this. It's out of the top 10 as of right now, but it'll probably be back. And never ever forget, guys, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon. So they have a ton of Paradox Rift, and you can pull great stuff like this. So we got one more Paradox Rift break coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.